Hi friends! Today we're going to draw Po from Kung Fu Panda, the Kung Fu Master Panda who is super cool and funny. First, let's start by drawing Po's head. Its shape is round like a dumpling. So cute, isn't it? Great job, everyone! Now, let's add two small ears on top of his head. Next, we draw Po's big round eyes. Then his small nose and his sweet smile. Wow, you're doing amazing! Now let's move to Po's body. Follow the steps in this video. We start from his round belly like this. Great job! Next, let's draw Po's leg kicking a cool Kung Fu pose. And draw his hand making a Kung Fu move. You're all awesome! Our drawing of Po is now complete. Now it's time to trace all the lines to make them bold and clear. And after that, let's color Po's drawing to make it more alive. We add black color to the face area. That includes the nose, mouth, ears, and the patterns around his eyes. Then color the hands, body, and parts of the legs in black too. For his pants, use cream color. And for the belt, use red and yellow like this. Finally, add gray color to the sides of his face and belly. Follow along just like in the video, friends. Looks great! Finally, our drawing of Po is finished. He's doing an awesome Kung Fu move. Cute and cool, right? Thank you so much for drawing with us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel, so you won't miss the next fun drawing video. Thanks a lot, everyone! See you in the next video. Bye-bye!